Welcome to this quick tutorial. We want to quickly look at conversion of bases, that is number base in base 10 numerals to binary. Now when we talk about that binary here is basically talking about base 2. So that binary deals with 2. So when you are talking about base 2, in converting any number in base 10 to base 2, that is binary, or any basis depending on what you are given in a question, divide by 2 and retrieve the remainder from the rear. Now that is grammar. Once you have a question like this, 47 base 10, I'm asked to convert it to binary. That is, I'm expected to divide 47, which is already in base 10. It is only a number in base 10 that you can convert to binary directly by dividing. So this is already in base 10. So if I'm going to work on this now, we are going to divide that 47 by 2. That is how we convert it to binary. And therefore, how do we do that? Just go with this number and this. So place 47 here. Then I'm dividing that 47 by 2. So if we use 2, how many times are you going to get 2 in 4? That will be 2 times. And again, 2 in 7, 3. But it's remaining what? 1. That is 47 divided by 2 is going to be 23, remainder 1. That is 23 times 2 is 46. So remainder 1. This is the remainder 1. Again, you are still dividing by 2 because you are converting the number to binary. So 2 again, 23 divided by 2, if that is too much, how many times will you get 2 in 2? 1. How many times are we going to have 2 in 3? Also once. But here, you are still having remainder what? Remainder 1. 11 times 2 will give you 22. And you have 23 here, so 1 is still remaining. Go again with 2, because you are converting to binary. 11 divided by 2, that is 5. You still have remainder 1. Then again, 2 again. 5 divided by 2, I'm going to have 2 times, still remaining what? 1. Then we move to the next part. 2 divided by 2 is going to be 1. Remainder what? 0. Then again, 2 divided by 1, that is impossible, so it's 0. Then remaining what? The number that you have here, which is 1. Now how do we take this? You read this up.